Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to follow these steps. First, install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. So if you haven't already installed and activate the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website, so you can do this by going to plugins in the WordPress admin dashboard and searching for WooCommerce. Now, set up a PayPal business account. So to accept payments through PayPal, you will need a PayPal business account. So if you don't have one, go to the PayPal website and sign up for a business account. After that, what you need to do is to install and activate the PayPal for WooCommerce extension. So in the WordPress admin dashboard, go to the plugins and click on Add New, search for PayPal for WooCommerce and click Install Now. Next step, PayPal for WooCommerce plugin developed by PayPal. So after installation, click Activate button. Okay. So now configure PayPal settings. So in the WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce, then click on Settings, and then under Settings, click on Payments tab. Now you should see PayPal listed as an option. Click on click on it to configure the PayPal settings. Now, enable PayPal payment method. So tick the checkbox to enable the PayPal. This will open up additional settings for PayPal. Configure PayPal settings. So enter the following details in the PayPal settings. So first of all, we have the email ID. So enter the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Then for the API username or API password or API signature, so to obtain these details, log into your PayPal business account, then go to PayPal developer website. So you can just go ahead and search for developer.paypal.com/. Okay. So after that, navigate to the My Apps and Credentials. Then click on Sandbox or Live Credentials. Create or use an existing API application and copy the API credentials. Now choose Payment Action. So that is the next step. So select whether you want to authorize and capture payments immediately or authorize only and capture later. So just go ahead and choose whatever you want. Now additional settings. So configure other settings such as payment capture settings, enable payment debugging if needed, and set up a payment completion return page. Now just go ahead and save the changes. So click on the Save Changes to apply the PayPal settings. Now test the integration. So it is important to test the PayPal integration to ensure it is working correctly. So add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and then select PayPal as the payment method. So complete a test transaction using the sandbox environment provided by PayPal to verify the payment flow. Now go live. So once you have tested the integration and are satisfied with its functionality, switch the PayPal settings from the sandbox mode to live mode. So update the API credentials with the live credentials provided by PayPal in the previous steps. Okay? So that's it. So you have successfully added the PayPal payment gateway to your WooCommerce store. So customers will now be able to make payments using PayPal during the checkout process. So before we end this tutorial, if you're wondering why people adding the PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce, so there are several reasons. So we have the trust and familiarity, global reach, security, mobile payments, buyer protection, and the last is convenience. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start with the first one, which is the trust and familiarity. So PayPal is a widely recognized and trusted payment method. So many online shoppers are familiar with PayPal and feel confident using it for transactions. So by offering PayPal as a payment option, you can still trust in your customers and potentially increase conversions. So for the second one, we have the global reach. So PayPal is available in numerous countries and supports multiple currencies. So by integrating PayPal into your WooCommerce store, you can expand your customer base and cater to international buyers who prefer using PayPal for their online payments. Okay? The third one is we have the security. So PayPal provides an additional layer of security for both buyers and sellers. So when customers pay through PayPal, their financial information such as credit card details is not shared with the merchant. So this will help alleviate concerns about data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive information. So now we have the fourth one is the mobile payments. So PayPal offers mobile payment solutions such as One Touch, which enables customers to make purchases quickly and easily on mobile devices. So with the growing popularity of mobile shopping, integrating PayPal allows for a seamless mobile checkout. The next one is buyer protection. So PayPal offers buyer protection programs that help protect customers against fraud. So unauthorized transactions and items not received. This can give customers peace of mind when making purchases from your WooCommerce store. So potentially increasing their confidence and in completing transaction. So the last reason that I have here is the convenience. So PayPal provides a streamlined checkout experience as customers can make purchases without needing to enter their billing and shipping information manually. So by offering PayPal as a payment option, you reduce friction in the checkout process, making it more convenient for customers and potentially increasing conversion rates. So overall, integrating the PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce offers a range of benefits, including increased trust, glo- global reach, enhanced security, mobile payment support, buyer protection, and convenience. So by providing a popular and trusted payment option like PayPal, you can improve the overall shopping experience for your customers and boost your online sales. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.